Welcome to the city, beautiful. It's almost 11 o'clock at night on the 2nd, coming up on May the 5th. I ain't feeling much like Cinco de Mayo. I guess I have a no, let me get this right. I have a viral infection. It's not COVID, even though I had a severe case of COVID and almost died from it in 2021. Lost a year of my life pretty much recovering from it. It's tough to make this footage. It's tough to keep going sometimes because I myself am without roof. It would have been nice to stay and get some sleep after a long day of blessing people like James. A long day of hustling to get money with our friend Sleepy, who's gonna come with me to Rock City, USA. I'm not losing my hope. So I'm walking towards downtown from ORMC. This is the main drag called Orange Avenue. Orange Avenue goes a long way. Goes all the way up to Winter Garden, Winter Park. Tired, guys. So, if you want to continue to watch never before seen footage of the unseen, subscribe, donate, motivate us, encourage us. Say nice things in the comments. Say nice things to one another. Get a conversation going. What do you guys think of this new law that's going to take place where open permit carry is coming? How do you feel that I went to a hospital and they didn't even ask if I had insurance? I actually do have insurance this time because I signed up on the street. They still think I'm homeless, so they didn't keep me. You get treated differently. Even though I don't look the part because of my incredible clothes all the time, and I shower constantly over at the shelter, it's still not enough to fight off the bacteria and the viruses and the rest. There's about 120 people in the shelter. But I'm not going to dwell on it. I'm going to dwell on trying to get back because I'm out of breath and take it from there. God bless. I got quite a walk if I don't catch the bus. Goth out.